Hi, I'm Safwan Isruna. I'm an English teacher and an IELTS trainer. I'm currently living in Manchester in the UK. I teach children English as a second language who are in care, and I also teach IELTS online on Zoom and italki. I've been teaching English since 2002, and I've been examining speaking since 2015. I run a Facebook page for IELTS writing, and I also have a blog for IELTS writing too. Look forward to sharing my tips and tricks with you all.
Everyone, it's Mohit here from IELTS Tips and Tricks, and I'm a language teacher from the past 3.5 years now. Some of you will be surprised to know that I am also an engineer by profession, but teaching is my passion and I have been pursuing it full time from the past few years now, and I work with students from all over the globe because most of my work is online. I have taken the test thrice with a score of 8.59 and an 8.5 again in my recent attempt. To everyone watching this video, I wish you all the best of luck for your exam, and I welcome you to this wonderful community of IELTS tips and tricks. Have a good day. Bye bye.